It's me, Julie, with Arizona Soap Company, and I am making white chocolate peppermint today. This soap is 50% cocoa butter. It is coconut oil free. It is super kind to the skin. And see, this thing is so strong, it literally pulls the blender head right down to the floor of whatever container you're working in instantly. So that's just, it is amazing. I'm glad to have it because it's so tall. I don't have to worry about filling up this 18-quart bucket and swamping the motor, because that happened with my other one, which is an all-clad. It's a great stainless steel mixer. I love it. I bought 2 extra blender heads, but the fact of the matter is it stands. You can't fill this thing all the way up with that one because it'll actually literally swamp the motor. All right, here we go. We're working at about 95 degrees today. Big old thing. It's a monster. I love it. So here we go. I know we're not completely mixed up yet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do this because we're gonna have to mix more. All right. Red oxide, blue shade, mixed with a little red oxide, red shade. Oh, and we've got to add our... Okay, and then this is a little bit of peppermint essential oil mixed with some of the batch oils, which I like to add some of my batch oils back in after saponification has begun. So this is my peppermint essential oil and some of the cocoa butter. Now this is going to speed things up more than likely, so I'm going to get a mold out. People who just think that this soap is the bestest and the mostest, and I love them for it, and I'm happy to make it. We're going to save a little tiny bit of that for the top, I think. Let's see how the top looks when we get done doing what we're going to do here. Let's see here if that's better. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna get a little closer. All right, we're back to cut white chocolate peppermint. I like it. It turned out pretty nice. See? These are just all right. And the people who love this soap will be very happy since we have been out of it since before Christmas. And I usually have a lot of this made by Christmas. And it was just too chaotic this year. I could not keep up with demand. And that has been the way it is for me for several years now. However, it's like everything doubled this year. Starting in about June or July, things just have gotten super, super crazy and busy and hectic, and I am not complaining. I'm ever so grateful. But man, I'm having to get better about time management and taking micro breaks. You know, just handling everything and doing it however it works. Some things work for some people, other things work for others. You just never know what the best thing ever is going to be for you. It's just kind of wild and woolly around here. Seriously, wild, wild west. No complaints, honestly. I'm glad that everybody loves my stuff that much. So a year ago, I would have told you, oh, 80 bars, these will last several months. We'll have these around for several months. But now, I think we might be looking at a few weeks.